Healing from betrayal is rarely loud. It does not announce itself. It does not arrive with a dramatic moment where everything suddenly feels resolved. It comes quietly, in small shifts, in moments you almost miss, in the gradual return of something you did not realize you had lost until it slowly starts coming back. When someone you trusted breaks that trust, the wound does not stay in your memory alone. It lodges in your nervous system. Your body learns to brace. Your spirit learns to guard. You start scanning every room for the next disappointment before it arrives. And somewhere in the middle of all that surviving, you forget what it felt like to simply be at peace. But God does not want you living on permanent defense. He restores the soul. Psalm 23 says it plainly. He restores the soul, not the image, not the performance, the actual interior life of the person who was broken by someone they trusted. Today we are combining biblical truth with psychological strategy to show you 7 signs that God is actively healing your soul from past pain. And if even one of these signs is present in your life, take heart. The healing has already begun. Sign number 1. The trigger loses its power. Trauma creates triggers. A name, a song, a location, a tone of voice. Things that once ambushed your nervous system now pass through without detonating. Philippians 4 verse 7 says God's peace will guard your heart and mind. The memory remains, but the sting fades. Their name no longer hijacks your entire day. That is healing. Sign number 2. The mental courtroom closes. You stop lying awake rehearsing arguments with someone who is not even in the room. The burning need to be vindicated, to be understood, to win a case before a jury that will never convene, it quietly dissolves. Isaiah 43 verse 18 says, forget the former things. You accept that God is your judge and defender, and you stop prosecuting a case he already handled. Sign number 3. You mourn the illusion. You realize you did not lose who you thought they were. You lost who you needed them to be. John 8 verse 32 says the truth sets you free. And it does, but first it grieves you. Healing begins when you stop romanticizing the relationship and accept that what God removed was protecting you from what they were hiding. Sign number 4. Guilt-free boundaries. Trauma makes people pleasers. Proverbs 4 verse 23 commands us to guard our hearts. As you heal, your boundaries stop being walls built from fear and become fences built from wisdom. You can say no to toxic dynamics without spending 3 days apologizing for it. Sign number 5. You stop bleeding on innocent people. Unhealed wounds make everyone look like your betrayer. You see threat and safety. You see abandonment and distance. But as God heals you, your vision clears. You begin separating the person who hurt you from the people God sent to help you. That separation is profound and it changes everything. Sign number 6. Praying without bitterness. Jesus commanded us to pray for our enemies. Not because they deserve it, because we do. When you can genuinely pray for the person who broke you, not for their destruction dressed in religious language, but for their actual healing, the chain of bitterness has completely and permanently snapped. This is the sign that stops most people in their tracks. And it is the most powerful sign of all. Sign number 7. The pain becomes your purpose. Psychologists call this post-traumatic growth. Romans 8 verse 28 calls it God working all things together for good. You know you are healed when the wound that was meant to silence you becomes the exact area where you have authority to speak into someone else's darkness. Your deepest pain becomes your most credible pulpit. Healing is not a straight line. There will be days when it feels like you went backward. There will be moments when an old trigger fires and you wonder if any of the work was real. It was real. You are healing. If you see even one of these signs in your life today, take heart. The surgeon is still in the room. Give him time. Give him access. Give him the parts that still hurt too much to show anyone else. Before you go, a quick and important update. Our channel has unfortunately been demonetized, and we are actively fighting to restore it. In the meantime, we rely entirely on viewers like you to keep producing these messages. If this ministry has brought you peace and clarity, any support you can offer helps us continue. The link is in the description and pinned comment below. If you are on a healing journey today, type "I am healing" in the comments. Subscribe so you never miss a message. Your mind is a holy place. Guard it well.